Now friends, see how two matrices are multiplied. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied, that is product AB is possible if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. That means number of columns in A must be equal to the number of rows in B, right? Now I think that I am taking one example and I am solving, I am showing how to multiply will be better to understand about the process of the multiplication. If M is equal to ABCD is a matrix having elements ABCD, N is a matrix having elements PQRS. Now how to find out the multiplication of M and N? Now this is the process. Into N is equal to what? A, B, C, D. Into P, Q, R, S. Now, how to multiply it? See, I have to take the first row and multiply with the I have to take the first column of N and I have to multiply with the first row and second row. Now to see, you just take it and keep here P R, then you have to multiply this with this and multiply with this, and R is to be multiplied with this and R is to multiply with D. So it will be what? AP plus BR, and then I have to add it. Second, P is to multiply with C, CP plus R is to multiply with D, so it is DR, right? Similarly, now I am making understand once again. I am taking suppose I am taking the first element of matrix N, I am writing here, and I have to multiply P with A and I have to multiply P with C. Similarly, I have to multiply R with B, I have to multiply R with D. Then after multiplication, AP and BR, then I have to add it. Then P is to multiply with C, R is to multiply with D, and I have to add it. Okay? Similarly, I have to take the second column of matrix N. Second column is QR, Q and S. And I have to write the first matrix, that is A, C, B, D. Then what I have to do? I have to multiply this with this. I have to multiply this with C. I have to multiply S with B. I have to multiply S with D. So it will be what? AQ plus BS, then CQ plus DS, right? Then I have to write like this. This is to be written as the first column, AP plus BR will be the first column, CP plus dr, and this will be the second column. This aq plus bs cq plus ds will be the second column. So it is aq plus bs cq plus ds. Now this is the new matrix after multiplication. AP and its elements are PQ plus BR, AQ plus BS, CP plus DR, CQ plus DS. Thank you. So this is the process of multiplication, right? Thank you. I am going to discuss with the help of example that the multiplication of matrices are not commutative. That means AB is not equal to BA. Example is verify that AB is not equal to BA if the matrices are A is this and B is another matrix. Now see. So A into B is equal to 8, 1, minus 1, 5, 7, 4, 2, 5. So it will be 8 into 7 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 7, 5 plus 5 into 2. Now taking the second column of B, it will be like this: 8 into 4 plus 1 into 5 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 into 5. So it will be what? 56 plus 2, 58. It is 10 minus 7 is 3. And it is 35 plus 5 is 37. 25 minus 4 is 1. So this is 1. Now what is B into A? B into A is this one. B is 7, 4, 2, 5. Into A is what? 8, 1, minus 1, 5. Now it will be what? It will be 7 into 8 minus 4 into 1, 2 into 8 minus 5 into 1. Now taking the second column, it will be 7 into 1 plus 4 into 5, 2 into 1 plus 5 into 5. So it will be what? It will be 56 minus 4 is 52. 16 minus 5 is 11. 7 plus 20 is 27. 25 plus 2 is 27. Now I am seeing that A into B, this the new matrix is 58, having the elements 58, 3, 37, 21. B into A is another matrix having the elements 52, 27, 11, 27. So these two elements are not, so we can say that, so it is clear that AB is not equal to BA. Okay, thank you, student. So this is clear from this example that AB is not equal to BA. That means it multiplication of matrices is not commutative. Now I am going to discuss the property of identity for multiplication. AI is equal to one, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 0, 0, 1. So it will be what? One into 1 plus 2 into 0, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0, then 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to this. Now I have to find out the value of IA, I into A, where I is a identity matrix. You know the definition of the identity matrix. Identity matrix is a matrix in which the diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are 0. Okay, now see this one, IA. I is 1, 0, 0, 1. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4. Now see, IA after multiplication it is like this: 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 4, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 3, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4. So it will be like this. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now from this example it is becoming clear that AI is equal to IA. Okay. AI is equal to IA. Okay, thank you, student. Now I am solving this problem. See how I am solving this problem. If this matrix, that is having the elements A minus B, A minus 2, B plus 3, B. This is one element. If it is multiplied with this one, this is given is equal to this. Then I have to multiply this matrix with this. So it will be this: A minus B into 4 plus A minus 2 into 0. B plus 3 into 4 plus B into 4. B into 0. This will be A minus B into 0 plus A minus 2 into 3. Then B plus 3 into 0 plus B into 3. then it will be like this: 4a minus 4b plus 0, 4b plus 12 plus 0. Then this will be 0 plus 3a minus 6, 0 plus 3b is equal to 4, 16, 0, 3. So 4a minus 4b, then we know that the corresponding elements will be equal. That means 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. 4b plus 12 will be equal to 16. 4b plus 12 is equal to 16. And is equal to 16. Now I have to solve this one. So it will be 4 minus b is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. And this will be what? 4b is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 by 4 and a minus b is equal to 1. So a will be a minus 1 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 2. Now the value of a will be 1. Value of a is 2 and value of b is 1. Okay, thank you. So if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box and I will try to give the answer of your questions as quick as possible. And please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.